It's Friday the 28th of February 2020. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Disney has a new CEO with Bob Chapek taking the role vacated by Bob Iger. No word yet if there is a third Bob that's going to fill Bob's role now that Bob has replaced Bob. The Tokyo Disney Resort has announced that it's closing because of the coronavirus. It's announced it's going to be closed from tomorrow, February 29th, through till March 15th. It's been reported there's been an incident this week on Magic Kingdom's Jungle Cruise where a ride boat sank. It sank about 1.5 feet from the pictures shown, which is about as deep as it can because the river's not actually very deep. Legoland California has a new general manager with Australian Kurt Stocks taking over the role. Kurt was previously the general manager of Legoland Malaysia. Disney's Hollywood Studios is going to start hosting Mickey Mouse cartoon shorts in the reimagined Mickey Shorts Theatre from March 4th. Walt Disney World has added a new variation on the dining plan this week with the Disney Dining Plan Plus added, which has 2 table or quick service meals per day. Oh. That's it for this week's Theme Park News in a minute. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the section down below. We might be back on Sunday with a video, maybe, so tune in for that. In the meantime, you can check us out on Twitter at themeparknut, on Instagram themeparknut, Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.